Good morning from sunny Perth, Western Australia. It's been 2 weeks of rain, but that's been okay because I've been 2 weeks on the couch after having my knee reconstructed. So today's my first day outside in the sunshine and it's fabulous, but I haven't had any time to do anything or the capacity to do anything in the bus so far. So we're at a bit of a impasse there at the moment. But the 2 weeks prior to my op, I was trying to get as much work done as possible. So today's video is of the, the bathroom reno as it is so far. And it's still not finished completely, but it's nearly there. So I thought I would catch you up on everything so far. All right, here goes. So now it's time to paint. Yay! Okay. Test spray number 1 didn't go so well. I'm gonna have to work that out for a bit, so. Okay. I think I worked out what's happened is I read the instructions on the paint can, and because it's automotive paint and it's designed to be sprayed, it says it doesn't need thinning. And on the sprayer, it says check the viscosity to make sure. And so I figured that if the instructions say you don't need to thin it, then you don't need to thin it. But what I think has happened is the viscosity is off, and that's what's made it go clumpy, and it's actually gone all like spider webby. I'll try and show you the effect that's going on in there before I get in there and sand it all off. See how we go from there. Live and learn, I guess. So now you can see the effect I've got going on in the bathroom. Not really the effect I'm after. Really great example of the fairy floss sort of effect going on. Try and touch it for you. Yeah, where is it? Yeah. Quite bizarre. I was planning on getting this little first coat done and then going to the beach with my daughter, but now I'm just gonna give up on this one today and go to the beach and come back and try this again tomorrow. Okay, good news! The fairy floss actually sands off really easily, so I am happy again. Well, that is like an oven in there, so at least I know if I want a hot sauna in winter time, just jump in the shower and it's all hot and sweaty.
I set it all up beautifully yesterday because I thought you bolted in after you put it on the floor. It's all nice and straight and connected to the water pipe. Beautiful. piece of art. And then Simon's like, no, you've got to put the bolts in first, so I had to pull it all apart again.
Yeah.
And now I can't connect this goddamn water pipe. I should have put some thread tape on here.
Probably, yeah.
I'm not going to though, not now.
No.
I'm doing this
Again.
until we... Yeah. Alright, now... Oh. What the hell? One to go. Oh, this is the fun one.
I was going to say, where's the other one?
Oh. So, my beautiful paint job is not beautiful at all. Tried lacquer because I figured lacquer would be best, most hard wearing.
Trademark there.
But it was just tapping off too fast, and it was ridiculous. I tried spraying it, it did fairy floss. Tried rolling it, and it also fairy floss. So I tried one of those pad paint thingies, and you just would go swipe, and you come through for your second swipe, and it was tapping off already. So I'll get the bin in. I mean toilet bin.
Yeah.
Oh, I just want to throw it in the rubbish.
Bin, yeah. It pretty much looks like a bin. I mean, isn't that really what toilets are?
I know.
A bin. Cool.
Poo bins.
Waste.
I'm going to call it the poo bin for now. Just going to the poo bin.
Shower in the poo bin.
Yeah, Charlotte. Don't like Charlotte. But anyway, I'm going to sand it, get the toilet in, do that, because the back corner is painted well enough that it'll be fine. And then I'm going to sand it all back again, and then I'm going to get spray cans, which is what I was going to do from the beginning, but I thought, oh no, I've got a spray gun, it'll be cheaper, more economical. No, I've gone through a litre of really expensive stuff, and now I'm going to go get probably 5 spray cans, which is probably $20 each, so, oh my god. The amount of money I spent on trying to fix this, just ripped it out, would put a new one in, would have been cheaper. Anywho, alright. Okay. That way. Yeah, that's right. The camera down there. Oh, it's hard work holding these things down. Oh yeah, I'm feeling a bit of tension now. Yay! Ah, now the ratchet will work. Woohoo! Hello again. I'm just doing the last coats on the bathroom. I've been putting off doing the bathroom, excuse me, because it's just been one of those jobs that's been horrible to do. So today I've been doing the last few coats of paint in there. It's been, oh my god, such a huge job. Just because it's in such a closed environment, and so all the overspray just builds up and then settles. And so I've taped off all the floor and everything, and put plastic down, but as I've been spraying the walls and the paint's been drifting down and my feet have been sticking to the plastic, and I move, then the plastics all come up, so the floor's munted again. But I'm gonna wait now. I've done 5 coats on the walls, and I will wait till that's all dried off and hardened off, and tomorrow I will have a look and see what the floor is like in there. And I've actually covered over the toilet, so the toilet is going to be the last thing I spray. Sanded it back this morning because it got all the overspray and stuff on it from before and rough as sandpaper. So sanded that all back, covered it in plastic, and I will have a look at that tomorrow as well, I think. Oh, maybe this afternoon. I'll see how it's going in there. But for now, I've got to get out of here because the fumes are ridiculous. Now, thought I'd give you a big tip. The swimming goggles works fantastically when you're spraying in confined environments, because I've tried normal safety goggles and all the mist just comes in around the side of the goggles and just gets into your eyes anyway. So in case you were wondering, the swimming goggles, big, excellent, plus for spraying in confined environments. Well, there you have it, our little update video on our bathroom reno so far. But I thought I would show you what it looks like now. As you can see, I've put the door back on at least before I had my op, but it's still not finished in there. So I'll just show you what's going on in there quickly. Alrighty, I can squeeze past the door. Here we go. So here we have, you can't really see much. Oh, the ceiling's still masked up. And as you can see, it's still a bit patchy in there, but overall, and I haven't done the floor or the last coats of the toilet. But I don't know if you can remember what it used to look like. I think it's much better. Okay, there you have it. The bathroom up to date as it is as of today. Right now I'm going to go back inside, have a cup of tea, chill out on the couch for a while because my knee's getting fat just from standing here doing this video with you. Thanks for tuning in. I'm hoping I'll release another couple of videos over the next week or so to catch you up on the other things I've been doing. And I will see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button so you get updates as soon as they come on board, and thanks for watching. See you next time. I'm trying to pick up my crutch now. Oh, so hard.